I feel really privileged. My work and what I love to do are one and the same. I found my place in life, and I found my place on Earth, as simple as it may be. My name is Alan Hauser. I love to design. So as a kid, I was crazy about creating things. After graduating, I headed off to art school. But I was always exploring and experimenting, diving into audio recording, music production, video, multimedia, and finally discovering designing for the web. The web offered the chance to use all my skills, every part of my brain, creating new things. I couldn't imagine anything better. In the beginning, I was working mainly on large projects that came with lofty job titles. It was exciting, but the fit wasn't exactly right. Something was missing. In 2005, I started my own design studio, and my wife and I moved to a barn in a small farm in a small town, Sheridan, a farm town just north of Indianapolis. My wife is an interior designer. We renovated the barn together and the garden. Well, it's a reflection of our sensibilities and interests. This is our spot. It's our adventure too. I was still offering every sort of service to every sort of client. I look back now and I see I wasn't in sync with what I really wanted to be doing. I realized two very important things. I wanted focus. I didn't want to be all things to all people or a jack of all trades. I wanted to bring my skills together and use them on one thing and be a true expert at that one thing. My focus is creating beautiful, simple sites using Squarespace. I wanted my work to be all about people. That, I think, was the missing element. That one-on-one personal contact where I can give people my full attention. My clients are really smart about their own business, but they don't know anything about designing and coding websites. They also know enough not to try to piece together their site themselves, using a little bit of this and a little bit of that. They respect other professionals. They want someone who can create a site for them that's specifically for their big or small or very small company and build it from the ground up. The barn and the farm and the trees are the perfect setting for my work. There's breathing space, space that brings order to the disorder. I'm surrounded by changing forms and colors and beauty. I'm surrounded by growing things. One great thing about working out here on my own is that I wasn't able to just turn to the guy in the next cubicle and ask him to do the part of the job I didn't know how to do. I was forced to do things on my own, and I learned things really well that I never would have envisioned doing. I grew. That's what I do for my clients too. I help them grow their companies. I don't usually talk this way, but really I empower them. I make a finely tuned, highly customized site, and then I make a little movie for that client that shows them how to control every part of their site. I hand over the keys. Here are smart, talented people who just don't have a background in design and development, and suddenly they're at the helm of a very advanced website. Behind each of my designs is a network of code. It's complex, it's elegant, but I make it easy to use. I want my customers to look brilliant, you know? I use it to offer you an incredible array of options. When I'm done, you can do all this. You can do virtually anything. So this is what I do. I make a beautiful, effective website that's simple for you to manage. And it's built and designed just for you.